Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0, a 27909 cordless telephone. And this is Jim's equipment from PA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool cordless telephone. Now these units are very sought after. People really like them and they want to have them repaired. And there is an issue with this unit. Jim's got a note. There is no transmit, and so we want to go into the handset and troubleshoot the main PC board. And we want to go ahead and give you a look at the handset. If you've never seen the inside of one of these units, that gives you a look at the main PC board. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll go ahead and take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time. And release it. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And the issue is, this is a cordless telephone, and the RF power, the radio frequency, will interfere with an open amplifier, and we're going to show you that during the final checkout. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and the RF power from the cordless telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We have a piece of tape because Jim has his name in the LCD screen, so we want to cover that up. Give you some dial tone. Now we're going to show you the radio frequency or the RF power interference. Now we want to dial our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation. and we can call the time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Sunday, June 17th. The current time, 1:08 p.m. and the temperature, 90 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Jim and they can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.